Hello, and thanks for considering entering the awards. I'm Richard Kennedy, I'm the Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of ARCET Global. And I'm going to guide you through the entry process, which is a simple, two-stage process which we have made even easier based on feedback from judges and entrants. First, you need to complete a 1,000-word written entry form based on a case study. If you are shortlisted as a finalist, you then need to prepare a 10-minute video presentation where you bring that written submission to life. And that is supported by a 5-minute video where you answer any questions from the judges that came about from your written entry. Your written entry is worth 50% of the marks. The video presentation is worth 40% of the marks. And once the judges finish evaluating all of the entrants, they are then asked to give an overall score which makes up the final 10% of your marks. Our scoring model is endorsed by the University of Westminster in the UK and has been constantly developed and updated based on feedback to provide a robust and fair evaluation of your business case. Our entire process is certified by Customer Institute, giving you further assurances that this competition is legitimate and fair. All of the entries are evaluated by independent judges who are experts in their fields. We do none of the scoring ourselves, and each category has between 4 to 8 judges. Our chair of judges, Professor Graham Shapiro, carefully evaluates the scores, checks for any anomalies, and makes sure that the scoring is fair and just. All judges have to provide reasoning and comments along with their scores, which you will receive in a detailed benchmark feedback report after the event as part of your finalist package. Let's talk about your awards journey. So the first stage is for you to select your categories, which can be found on the Enter Now page of the awards website. Select the categories that best suits your initiative, and you can enter up to 3 categories for free per region. So with each category you choose, you not only have the chance to win the Customer Centricity World Series, but one of our regional awards too, giving you twice the opportunity to win. Should you need any help, please send an email to one of the team or fill out our contact form, and we will be happy to help you select the most relevant ones for you. Once you've chosen your category or categories, simply fill in the registration form on the website Enter page. You will then be contacted by one of our team who will send through the official entry forms. The entry form is extremely simple. It's a Word document containing a series of questions that will help you to develop a story. We will be asking you what you have done, why you did it, who helped you achieve it, and what the results were. Take note of the marks for each section on the entry form, and the results section carries the most weight, so make sure to put plenty of quantitative and qualitative results in there. It is a story, so make sure you bring it to life, make it fun, make it interesting, and make it compelling for the judges. You will later have to create a video presentation on this, so make sure this is a solid foundation to base your presentation on. Most importantly, stay within the word count. The more clear and concise you are, the easier it is for the judges to score. My top tip for you is that it's not a sales pitch, it's a story. Feel free to submit any supporting documents along with your entry, and if you wish to use confidential information, do not worry. All of our judges sign NDAs with us, and we will never share confidential information with anyone outside of our team and your judges. Entering the awards is free, and there are no fees for submitting your entry. However, to avoid wasting our judges' time, we want to make sure that they only evaluate the entrants that are serious and are going to follow through with the whole process. Once you submit your entry form and our shortlisting team have evaluated its quality, you will then be listed as a finalist. And at this stage, we ask you to book your tickets for the hybrid event, with a minimum investment of €1,000 for virtual or €1,500 if you are attending physically. If you join us virtually, you get access to the live stream of the ceremony. 3 members of your team are listed on the attendees page for networking purposes. You get your benchmark feedback report, and if you are fortunate enough to win, it covers your digital winners pack and your trophies plus shipping. However, customs charges may apply. If you are joining us physically, then for the minimum investment, you will receive 2 passes to attend a full-day conference, the gala dinner, awards ceremony in the evening, your benchmark feedback report, and if you are fortunate enough to win, it covers your digital winners pack and your trophies. You will also get a chance to have your picture taken on stage with your team collecting your award. It's important to note that you will need to purchase finalist passes for each region you enter. So for example, if your organisation enters initiatives from both their American team and their European team, then you will get a total of 6 free categories to choose from, but will need to buy 2 separate finalist passes for each region. If you aren't sure if this applies to you, please speak to one of the team and they will be happy to help. So, I wish you the best of luck with entering, and if you need any more information, please reach out to one of the team who will be happy to help. Good luck with your entry, and if you are listed as a finalist, check out the finalist guide, which will tell you all about the video presentation section. Thank you and good luck.